just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide.
So welcome boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. We are now in our next hotel. It is the Berjaya Langkawi and we have booked the RainforestChalet. As you can see, it is situated in the forest and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is our private path as we walk to the front door. So you need to use the key to get in. Put the card in for the light. And then we are here in the room. Well, let's start with a bathroom. We have here the sink with a mirror. You have a shower. It's a rainy shower and a normal shower and the toilet. Everything looks great. The room is made of wood, so you can hear it when you walk. Then we have here the bed, the double bed. And this is always nice. They made a special welcome for us on the bed. What is also very nice is that we have complimentary minibar and also complimentary fruit. Then we're going to check what is in the minibar. I don't know yet because we just arrived. And it is some soda, some chips, I think peanuts and even beer. So then we have a desk with a television. It's the view, it's just a rainforest and this is the door to the balcony. We'll open it, then Frank is already enjoying his beer.
Cheers.
And this is the balcony. And then you see the neighbors are just a few steps away. And this is at the other side. If you go in your room, it is very important that you close the door. And not only close the door, but make sure you lock the door. The reason? Monkeys. They can open the door if it is not locked. So I hope you have a good impression about how the room look like here in the Berjaya. And we are going to show you the rest of the hotel.
this place?
Well, what we really liked is the environment. There are animals everywhere. The dusky leaf monkey, so that is a special monkey that's only living here. The macaque monkeys, there are many birds, butterflies, and a lot of other creatures are living here. It's
Like
in the
scorpions?
Scorpions, yeah, Frank's favorite.
Not?
And yeah, and it's all in the rainforest, and it's also directly at the sea. There is a beautiful beach. There are nice swimming pools.
Yeah.
Nice restaurants, and the best one with the location, I think it's the Thai restaurant. So the only restaurant you need to make a reservation for it, at least 1 day in advance.
Yeah.
And the rest of the restaurants you can just walk in. It's a Chinese, it is a beach bar, and it's a buffet. Yeah, and also at the pool you can order some snacks or pizza to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are some things to keep in mind. You need to keep in mind that this complex is far away from the city, so everything is remote, except for the Sky cable car. That's really 10 minutes walking here, so it's one of the highlights of the island. We also really liked it. Keep in mind if you go that the weather is good, because otherwise you won't see anything, but if that is the case you can be there within 10 minutes. Also the hotel offers a free shuttle leaving 10, 12 and I believe 2 o'clock. It's only one way, so you have to come back your own way, but we walked back without any issues. Otherwise you can also order a cab, of course. Things I think that really needs to be improved is the Wi-Fi. Of course, you're on holiday, you're in a beautiful environment, but well, Wi-Fi is everywhere these days, and the Wi-Fi connection here is very bad. It seems to be that you're always between two hotspots, so that means that your phone or laptop is always looking for the best one, and this is where there were issues all the time. Sometimes I had to connect for 20 times a day. Really, I'm not overreacting here. Also, sometimes I sent a picture just on WhatsApp could take up to 10 minutes. Yeah, I think that's not acceptable anymore these days, especially not from a hotel in this price range. Also, the food is very good, but there are some things I didn't like, especially when you eat near the pool. If you want a quick snack, everything is with yum chips. They're great, but sometimes you want something else, and then well, it's not there. So you can have a burger, you can have fish and chips, you can have a sandwich, but it's always with yum chips. Otherwise you have to order some things next to it. That is possible. So that are some minor things that really needs to improve, to my opinion. And also the bed, that's also subjected to your own, how do you say it, your own feeling. But this bed had some really nice holes in it. So yeah, I had back pain all of the time. Also my neck was not supported at all.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
It's a really hard bed.
So yeah, that are things I didn't like at all. If you wake up with pain in your back, well, okay. Yeah, no. But nevertheless, if we are here again on this island, I would come back for sure. I don't know about you.
Yeah, it's a very nice hotel.
Yeah.
Very nice people, good food. The weather was good, we were lucky. We only had rain one time in the morning and the rest was sunny. So we do not complain.
Nope. So this was it. So hopefully you can use this review to make up your own mind and maybe to book this wonderful hotel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This will really help our channel out. Thank you so much. Bye bye.